Guys, welcome back. Jeff Allen off the gridiron. We'll see you in the woods. Okay, good morning, friends. Jeff off the gridiron, and another fun unboxing. I have put this off for a little while, just because I knew I wasn't going to get out to be able to make the best use of this product. So I thought, well, I'll get this unboxing out of the way, and then maybe I can get out and use it. This is from the company called Adler, and they're a German-based company that make some amazing tools. I'll provide the link down below, but forest tools, axes, hatchets, as well as many gardening implements as well. Coming from Germany, the mindset of just the quality has always resounded with me, with any of my kind of German and European based products, which is become the expectation. So this is 2 of their products. Get a load of that. Comes with a little lanyard here, little leather tab. It says Adler on it. And this is the Canoe Axe. Now, just like this card says, they do carry at the time many different axes and hatchets, splitters, etc. Now this is called the Canoe Axe, and this display card does a great job kind of walking through all the specs. 1.35 pound head, 20-inch axe roughly, carbon steel head, 60 hardness. No, that's not the hardness. I think it's 50-55 hardness. Hickory handle, and abrasion resistant black paint with red contrast. Made in Germany. And that is almost a sanded paint on that black grip. Very textured. I like the red. Lay it down in the grass, perhaps, in the leaves and the branches. You'll be able to spot that. Laying it up against a tree, easily spotted. Care in the hatchet or the axe mask is outstanding. Excellent quality. Leather, snaps, very high end. Look at that profile. Isn't that awesome? I like this kind of forged look. The pole. 1919. Handcrafted in this German-based company. AD 266 is the lot. You can see it there on the end. Little stamp here, caution. But that's the Canoe Axe. This is an ideal length for the side of a pack, where you want to carry an axe into the field, but nothing too overly long and overly cumbersome. Still great for 2 hands. Unbelievable. And I really like that. I'm going to even say, for my opinion, like that Scandinavian cut where it has that flare. You're still able to choke up with this thickening here. It fits the hand, and you could really choke up on it. But what a great size for a pack, and obviously for canoe tripping. It's called a Canoe Axe. Amazing. Thank you, Rhineland, so much. Sorry. Thank you, Adler. Rhineland is the name of one of their other longer handle, full head axes. So that's the Canoe Axe for tripping. Some of you may even consider it for car camping. This is the Rhineland Hatchet. Comes in a bag. Again, Very similar black painted textured grip at the end. Hickory handle. Kind of linseed oil protection on there right now. Double snaps. Again, the specs on this one, warranty. Again, care for it, regular oiling, sharpening. This is called the Rhineland Hatchet. And then some of the specs for it. 1.35 pound head. Okay, very similar head weight. 14 inches long. Ford C60 steel, hand sharpened and finished. Hickory wood, abrasion resistant. And again, what a great field pack axe this would be. This is more or less your hatchet. I'm just going to compare the heads on both of them. The weight of them was the same, so I wonder if they're very similar. Very similar head. You can see with the hatchet, hopefully you can see there, just a thicker profile in the blade geometry, I think. Yeah, just a little finer up toward the end. I hope you can see that. A little thinner, but the same weight. So it's interesting. I'm not sure if it was the person that was on the grinder that day, or it does look a little thinner, but they're boasting us the same weight. Double check that again. 1.35 pounds. 1.35 pounds, 600 grams. Okay, so the same head. Yeah, well, maybe it was the same head and just a different profile off the grinder. Anyways, pretty awesome. Comes with a little bit of a protective bag there, but great masks. In fact, I don't even know which one is which. We'll give that a try. Adler Forest Tools. Hatchets, splitting axes, splitting mauls, camp axes, any number of products as well. Scout hatchet, the Rhineland hatchet, which this one is. I believe the Scout hatchet has that wider, kind of a flatter profile on the head itself. Rhineland Axe, Yankee hatchet, Yankee axe, sport splitter, log splitter, super splitter. So I'll provide the link down below to the company, but these are, I can already tell, just the fit and finish, as everybody usually boasts about when they have a new product, but it really feels like this is a quality piece of equipment. Sometimes many influencers or people that are endorsing products, they have nothing but good things to say just because they got some, maybe a donated package or discounted package of sorts, but in this case, yeah, super awesome. So on upcoming trips, these will be on my pack, cared for, hopefully on a canoe trip maybe in the coming months and weeks ahead. Okay, that's all I had today for you. I'm going to, this is just a quick unboxing of the Adler products, showcasing those for you. These are great options for those people packing that want something of quality, but unsure of what to get. So this is another great option from Adler. Thanks again for watching. Jeff Allen off the Gridiron. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Comment below. Love to hear from you. If there's anything you wish reviewed, happy to do so. And until next time, enjoy your outdoors. Bye for now.